Alright, finally we got some videos coming out where we're going to be doing work on the bed on this bag truck. So we're just cleaning the sides up and we're going to mark where we're going to tape so we know where we're going to cut. Normally you wouldn't use brake cleaner to clean dust off the paint. This thing's going to get repainted anyways. Just trying to make it easy, keep the line straight. Typically this tape doesn't stretch, so it keeps it a straight line, fairly easy. Comfy. Can't imagine it would be. Yeah, so these, we're prepping to move these, cut these off, and move them. This is going to give us the factory mounting point. Yeah, we could have fabricated something else, but we're not. We're just going to use these, trim them up, cut them down, and move them into a better position so we can mount the bed in the exact location it came from. Johnny's prepping to cut you wire wheel where the spot welds are, where you know they're at, so they're more prominent, you can see them better. So we're doing that so we can and then drill them out and get this bulkhead off, because the bulkheads, we're going to section it. We're going to take a section out of it to, again, raise the bed floor, and we want everything to look as factory as possible. Then we're going to cut these little guys off right there, because those are going to stay on the frame. And we're going to, yeah, we're going to do stuff. Didn't quite get through on that side. Hey,
Look at that. Hot damn.
Look at this.
All right.
Yeah, we definitely got lucky here on this. Is the fitting up the step on the step side portion. Bolting it, another reason why we kept these brackets, we're bolting it in place. A lot less hardware and issues to deal with when we just make an extension. Here's the guts, what's left of the inside of the truck bed after we, cut it all out and trimmed all the pieces off. We also decided to drill out all the spot welds to detach it appropriately. Super easy to take off.
So easy.
Oh, jeez. Cool.
Yeah,
Go hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe, comment, and share with your friends.